a mom blogger and photographer.
It's really important as a content creator to showcase your different personalities to your audience.
She's building a community like no other.
Just enjoy and have fun at the initial level. Don't follow the number trends.
NewsX influencer A-List proudly recognizes Shweta Tanwar Mukherjee for influence in parenting and lifestyle. Hello and welcome. You're joining us on NewsX Influencer A-List. I'm Parati Vinod, and with us today is a mom blogger. Now, Shweta Tanwar Mukherjee has been blogging, in fact, on the internet for a good 3 years now. And she's changing the game when it comes to influencing young content creators as well as mothers out there who want to take that first plunge. Firstly, thank you so much, Shweta, for being with us on the broadcast, and welcome to the show.
Thank you so much, and it's such a pleasure to be on the show.
Absolutely, same here for us. Why don't you start by telling us, Shweta, a little about what you do and, what your journey has been like? Because I know that you come from a corporate background, you were just telling us. And from there to leave that and do digital content creation, what has it been like?
So honestly, it came pretty organic to me when I was expecting and I quit my job and, Instagram was my escape to, not doing anything. So let's just, start clicking and posting. And I have been very vocal in terms of my preferences, choices, and, experiences. So I started sharing all those things, with my audience. And that time I didn't had an audience, but I just started, posting it very frequently on my on Instagram. And that's how, it started getting good response. People used to relate with me. They started messaging me and saying, okay, this is something which, I'm also experiencing.
So what is the kind of content that, you were putting out? Sorry to cut you off, but just to understand better, what are the kind of things that you were putting out that people were saying, this is relatable content. I mean, this is something that we have gone through.
So I just delivered a baby, So as I was expecting, I quit my job, and because during my pregnancy, I wanted to take care of myself and probably give undivided time to my child. So I started sharing my new mom experiences, to be specific, the kind of lost motherhood, the lost womanhood I was, experiencing, that, I couldn't go out with my friends and just at home, just taking care of the baby. So all those challenges, the beautiful moments, the cries, the laugh, I just started, sharing it with all of, people out there. And I was just pouring my heart out with a very honest, thoughts of mine. So there, when I saw that there is a huge, a bunch of, women out there who are exactly feeling the same, and, they are also in the same space. So there, when we connected, and, it's a beautiful tribe out there of, new moms and moms. And then they become, we become good friends out of there. And that is the kind of, it was not a content, at that time. It was just an experience sharing. Later on, I think it took a shape of a more content, which is more refined, which is more mindful. And now, of course, it is more planned. So I think it started with a, very organic experience sharing. But yes, now the shift is there.
All right. So, then when we talk about digital content creation, right, for instance, for you, how long did it take you, Shweta, to be able to monetize your content? And are you happy with where you are, or do you feel like that the growth could be faster?
Of course. I think so. It took me roughly 2 years to, got my first brand collaboration, the paid collaboration. I actually struggled at times. It was quite demotivating, but I think the consistency is the key. Nothing. So when we say, okay, today morning I wanted to be a digital creator, you just can't be like that. There's a lot of hard work which goes into it. There's a lot of creativity, and it's at a very evolving pace. So you have to be there all the time. So as I said, it took me 2 years to got my first collaboration. And yes, the more I think you are honest, the more frequent you are, the more consistent you are, the more creative you are when it comes to the content creation. I think there's no looking back to it. But if you think that, okay, today I'm posting something and I will be viral and there will be some, net breaking thing happening on the Instagram, or it doesn't work that way. It doesn't work. So it takes a good amount of hard work, persistency from you. And then you have to be very, very important thing of content creation is that you ideate, you create, you post, and you just forget it.
Yeah.
You move on to next.
Trial and error, right? Because sometimes some things work and sometimes some things don't.
Absolutely.
And it's all about, giving it your best shot and then just going for the next big thing.
Yes, absolutely. So you will not be lingering on that one thing. Okay, it doesn't work. What do I do? Should I know? Just move, keep doing it. Your job is to just give the content. You just need to be very planned in your way of being consistent and being creative, I think.
So, help me understand, and Shweta, when we talk about mom bloggers, right, or when we talk about women that are showcasing their children or talking about their motherhood, a lot of the time what happens is that we forget the fact that, this woman has a life of her own. And a lot of times we begin to define her by the fact that she's a mother, right? Which is something that we're all guilty of doing. What has that been like for you? Your own individual identity. Have you ever felt that has somewhere been undermined by being called a mom blogger continuously and nothing but that?
I think I initially struggled this a bit. Okay, and that's where, but I will also say that that's something which, I would like to take it in a very positive manner, that it also gave me a very good identity, something which is really beautiful, something which I enjoy today, something which I myself was not aware of, that I have that very organic instincts of being a mother and, coming my thoughts and my everything. But yes, as I said at my, earlier, that initially at the first year of my motherhood journey, I was always feeling that lost womanhood, that I'm no more a career person, I'm no more, I don't know what to do, where the path is going. And especially when it comes to social media, there are so much, there are judgments all around, so they look at you.
Everyone has something to say, right? Because everybody is an expert on everything.
Yes. So right now also at times when someone, from probably an agency or from the brand calls us, so they only see us at the, that, okay, you're just a mom blogger, you're a content creator, but they don't know that I might be from a background of a marketing, or someone could be from an HR, they had a good career, but they probably shifted to this kind of work now. So they really don't want to, probably listen to that, or they it doesn't interest them, So I think rightly said, but again, now I'm projecting myself in a more stronger way to them, that I'm showing all facets of my personality. I'm not just talking only motherhood. I'm also talking about how to take care of yourself as a woman, probably when you have a child, when you have a family, when there's a pandemic going on, why to lose yourself? So it's really important as a content creator to showcase your, different personalities to your audience, so that they can, it might help them somewhere.
All right, awesome. And before we let you go, because we're running out of time, Shweta, I want to know from you, a young mother who's probably starting out, or a young woman who's starting her social media journey, what would your tip be for her?
I think the first and foremost is just be real and have fun on social media. The more real you are and the more fun you are with your kid, I think that's when the audience connect. Don't fabricate yourself, just be transparent, authentic, be consistent if you really want to make a career out of it, and obviously show both the sides of your personality, good, bad, whatever, and don't don't probably get affected by the negative or trolls or anything. Just do your work. There are all sorts of people, not everyone will like you, but you will have your own segment of audience. So I think just enjoy and have fun at the initial level. Don't follow the number trends, oh my god, itne likes me, itne post it. Just forget it. Just enjoy the space and keep, treat it as your escape, treat it as your fun time, don't make it a stressful time for yourself, coming on a social media at initial stage. Brand collaboration, work, career will come eventually, but initially you have to enjoy the space.
All right, thank you so much, Shweta. It's been an absolute pleasure having you on the show, and more power to you and more power to the work that you do.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.